Hi and welcome. We're glad you're here at Easy with AI, a place where we explore simple and smart ways to use AI in everyday life. Stick around for helpful tips and fun ideas. Today, we're going through some super easy ways to work with the OpenAI tool, ChatGPT, no tech skills needed. Let's dive in. What is ChatGPT? A smart AI buddy you can chat with for help, ideas, or answers. Super easy to use, just type and it replies like a friend. Where to find it? Website chatgpt.com. App available on App Store, iOS, and Google Play, Android. I'll give you an example of how ChatGPT can make meal planning quick and efficient. You're hungry and you have no idea what to cook or even what to buy. You can use ChatGPT for quick inspiration by asking a very simple question called a prompt. As you can see, just type, create a lunch meal plan for two people that includes a balanced combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Then, generate a grocery list of all ingredients with a maximum of 5 items. ChatGPT instantly gives you a healthy, balanced meal idea, plus a short, budget-friendly shopping list. It's perfect when you're short on time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. The prompt we used is attached in the video description. Feel free to try it out yourself. Easy with AI.